Hi everybody, this is Farmer 164th here, and today I'm going to show you the farm tour for September 2017. There are no major changes to the layout, and I'm going to show you the layout, how it looks currently. The county did get a new tractor and a sickle mower, so they are about to go mow. Then I added a wood pile back there to the feed store. And other than that, this side is the same. They are mowing hay. And then let's move over to the other side. And here we are. Here's the construction place. There's a few trucks heading out. Then they're loading on the Bobcat before that truck heads out. Then let's head on over here. The feedlot is the same, except I filled in like a little hole back there. And then the big change is over here, where I added the grain feed set. There's a truck going in, another one going out. There's a tractor back there. Then there's two of the tractors from my latest haul. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks again.